Here is something kind of crappy. I have seen in lots of the forums and Facebook groups that I'm a member of, all these kind of free Facebook groups that you can go and join, I've seen heaps and heaps of people saying really terrible advice about what to do because of this particular strategy. And one of the worst ones I've seen is to use something like Pixelfy Me along with something called Rebate Key. Now, Pixelfy is actually great. It's a really good service. I've got zero problems with Pixelfy. What it does, it's a URL shortener on steroids. You can do loads and loads of sexy stuff with it. It's a super cool URL shortener. Zero problems with that, all right? No dramas at all. The problem is with this, Rebate Key, okay? That is where the problem lies. Rebate Key is a service whereby you as a seller can sign up to it, and people as buyers also sign up for it. You put your product onto that platform, Rebate Key, and then you'll have people come along, buy the product, and you give them all the money back that they have just invested in the product. You give them back. So they get the product for free in exchange for a review, a positive review, of course. Now, that's never ever vocalized, but everybody knows that's what's happening. So what is the problem with that? Well, pretty simple. If you go to Rebate Key and try and sign up as a buyer, you will see it's easiest to sign up either with your Google Plus account, that's going to disappear very soon, or with Facebook. All right. Now, I don't know for sure, but based on what I've seen of platforms like this before, most people sign up using their Facebook account. Most people sign up to these kind of services using their Facebook account. Now, what is the problem with that? You may be asking yourself. Well, we already know Facebook sells its data, pimps its data all over the place, and one of the biggest buyers of Facebook data is Amazon. So, for me, what could be worse? What could be worse than using a service where the reviewers are known to Facebook, and then Facebook sells that information to Amazon for Amazon to come along and destroy your business? What could be worse? It's a crazy thing to do. Don't do that. Instead, follow my strategy that I've already laid out in the training to get your reviewers for your products, all right? Follow that strategy. Don't do this. It's a disaster. I've got no idea. I suspect that people are getting incentivized to refer people to Rebate Key. I suspect that's what's going on. But for the love of God, don't do it. It's a bad idea. You will get busted. I'm 100% sure of that. You don't have to look in the past to see Amazon has busted groups like this consistently. Amazon's busted groups like this, okay? Terrible idea. Don't do that. All right, final bit of the puzzle, and then we're going to do some questions, okay? Final bit of the puzzle. Coupons. Now, again, loads and loads of misinformation out there about coupons. Loads and loads of folks saying the reason that seller accounts have been suspended is because they've used coupons. Ooh, and that's bullshit. That's just not true at all. It's not true at all, okay? Amazon encourages you to do sales. Amazon encourages you to give coupons away. Why on earth would they start suspending accounts for doing that? Coupons are not the problem. Coupons are not the problem, okay? The problem lies in using coupons to manipulate bestseller rank, to manipulate search engine results pages. That's where the problem comes. Now, how do you do that with a coupon? Simple. You get somebody to buy your product with a coupon, and the link that you use for them to buy your product is a two-step URL, which is what heaps of folks taught, myself included, taught, okay? So that is the problem. Coupons are no problem at all. Zero issue with coupons. Again, It's coming up to Prime Day. Guess what? Amazon's emailing folks saying, hey, are you going to do a Prime Day deal? Do you know what that means? It means, are you going to offer a coupon? That's what that means. Amazon's got no problems at all with coupons. It's the way that you use the coupon to manipulate bestseller rank using things like two-step URLs that's the issue. So don't worry about coupons. It's A-OK. You can still give coupons, no dramas at all. You can still give them and just give them on a landing page. That's the easiest thing to do. Use your landing page to give away your coupon. Just use coupon code, get 20% off, whatever it might be. And that's a very, very simple way of doing it. And then remember, your add to cart URL just goes directly to the product page, not a two-step URL. That's okay. That's a sale. That's a sale. Amazon likes that. That's a good thing to do, all right? Don't believe the bullshit. Don't believe the hype. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.